Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss the general forms of equation of a straight line. And a straight line is represented by a gradient and an intercept. So the line has a gradient m and crosses the y-axis at point 0, c. So this c is the intercept, y-intercept, and this slope is basically the gradient, and is equals to m. So this straight line, we will write the equation y is equal to mx plus c. The equation of any straight line can be rearranged to give y is equal to mx plus c. If you know the equation of line, you can easily find its gradient and its y-intercept. So for the gradient of each of these lines and their y-intercept. So this is gradient, 3 is gradient, and the y-intercept is -2. Gradient is 5, y-intercept -3. Gradient is 5, y-intercept +2. Gradient is 2 and y-intercept is 7. Gradient is -2, y-intercept 7. Gradient is -3, y-intercept +9. Similarly for this will shift on this side. So gradient is -2 and y-intercept +5. Gradient is 5 because on the other side it will be plus, and the y-intercept is 1. Similarly for this can be rearranged. So y is equal to -4x, so it becomes 2 minus 2 is the, and that y-intercept will be 7/2. Similarly for rearranging, so we'll do it in the next session, in the comings working. Find the gradient of each of the lines of their y-intercept, and this is gradient is -2, and this is gradient is 5, because on this side we will shift, and output is 1, intercept is 1. So y is equal to 4x plus 2y is equal to 7. So gradient is -2 and y-intercept is 7/2. Because of this reason, it will shift 4x on the other side and will divide by 2 on all sides. So this is become -2 and 7/2. So this is here. Similarly for this, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So 2y is here, 3x will shift it here, and then we'll divide it by 2. So this is -3/2 x plus 8/2, that is 4. So -3/2 is the gradient and y-intercept is 4. So for this one, so 5y is equal to 10, so -6x plus 10. So we will divide by 5 on all side. So -6/5x plus 10/5 is 2. So -6/5 is basically this gradient, and this y is y-intercept. So 5y is equal to 15 minus 2x. So divide by 5, so -2/5x plus 3. So this is gradient and this is y-intercept. Write down the equation of each of these straight lines. Gradient is 3 and passing through 0, 2. So this is y is equal to 3. Gradient is given and we don't know the intercept, and pass through the 0, 2. So we'll 0 and 2 and we'll get this 0. C is equal to 2. So y is equal to 3x plus 2 is the equation. And similarly for this, we have a gradient is -1 and passing through 0, 4. So we'll write this y is equal to -x plus c, and we'll pass through 0, 4. So in place of x we will write 0, and in place of y we will write 4. So c is equal to 4. So the equation is c is equal to 4, y is equal to -x plus 4. So 4 minus x, it can also be first positive term and then -x. So it can also be written like this. So the gradient is 5 and the passing through 0, 0. So y is equal to 5x plus c, and passing through 0, 0. So c is 0 and y is equal to 5x. Gradient is 4, passing through 0, -1, 0, -1. So c is equal to -1 and y is equal to 4x minus 1. So gradient is -2 and passing through 0, 5. So we'll 0 and 5, and c is equal to 5, and we will write y is equal to -2x plus 5. So 5 minus 2x is basically the line equation. So gradient is 3 and passing through 0, 0. So 0, 0, and this c is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3x. Find the equation of each of these lines. So we have 3, 12, and here we have 0 0, and we have to find the equation of this line. So gradient is obtained as 12 minus 0, 3 minus 0, so 12 upon 3 is 4, so y-intercept is 0, so y is equal to mx plus c, so m, in place of m we have this 4 and c is 0, so, and also passing through this 3 12, so 3 12, so c is 0, so y is equal to 4x. So for this 4 comma 3, and this is 1, so this is 0 comma 1, so 0 comma 1, and this is the gradient is basically 3 minus 1, 4 minus 0, and this is 1 upon 2, so y is equal to half x plus c, and passing through this 4 3, so with this 4 and this is 3, so we'll obtain this c is equal to 1, so y is equal to half x plus 1. So y is equal to mx plus c, gradient is obtained as y 4 minus 1 and minus 2 0. So this is basically 0 1 from this, and this is passing through this 1 and this also. So minus 2 4, minus 2 4 is the passing point, so we'll pass through it and we'll get this c value, and placing this c we'll obtain this result. Similarly for this d part we have this minus 2 0 is this point, and this is 0 comma minus 5. So this minus 2 0 and 0 minus 1 5, so this is the gradient we have obtained here, minus 2.5, and is passing through one of the minus 2 0, so this minus 2 and this is 0, so c is equal to 5, so in place of c is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 2.5x minus 5. So this is the required equation, and that slope is a negative slope, so it's decreasing. And find the equation of each of these lines. A line with a gradient minus 3 upon 4 passing through the point 3 0. So we have this minus 3 upon 4 here, and passing through the 3 0 means, so in place of x we'll write 3, and this is 0, so c is obtained as 9 upon 4, and let's write this here and we'll obtain this equation. So this is the line equation, a line passing through this point and this point, and this y is equal to mx plus c, gradient is obtained as 2, so we'll write here 2, and we'll pass through this 2 3, and we obtain this c is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2x minus 1. So this is the required equation, line passing through this minus 1 5 and 3 comma minus 7, and the gradient is obtained as minus 7 comma minus 5, and this 3 minus 1, so this is minus 12.4, so this is minus 3, and this is passing through this 1 comma 5, so this is y is equal to 0, so y is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus c, so c is equal to 2, so y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. A line passing through 3 1 and 6 minus 1, a y is equal to mx plus c, the gradient is obtained as minus 2 upon 3, and y is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus c, so this is passing through 3 1, so 3 and 1, and we obtained c obtained as 3, so y is equal to minus 2 upon 3x plus c. In the next session we will discuss parallel and perpendicular lines.